Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. I'm up a little bit earlier than usual. I'm up early almost every day. But hey, that's my fault. Last night, I prepared beef and peppers over linguine. Not the prettiest picture, but it was good. Actually, one of the things that the recipe really called for was a cornstarch slurry. It really doesn't need it. I'll put it in the notes. The wine reduction was just enough. It would have been prettier without the slurry. Once I added the slurry, it got thick. I'm like, so I'll put that in the notes. But it's good. It could use a little bit of something. I'm not sure what. Because it had some oregano and some basil in it, but it needed something. Not sure what. Maybe a little bit of Worcestershire. I don't know. It could be. Tonight is actually a simple night. A lot of ingredients, but a simple night. Taco salad. Now, I've done this 2 or 3 times here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, but this is one of my ultimate favorites. Part of it is I like the dressing. It's a simple dressing. It's a simple sour cream based dressing, but it is really good. So let's get to it. It's one pan. Just because for myself, just for me tonight, I'm only using about a ½ pound of hamburger. So yeah, one fry pan. That's it. In the ground beef will be my taco seasoning, which is available. Just contact me if you'd like to purchase a jar. Some salt, pepper, of course. The simple 3 ingredients. Actually, it's 4 ingredients. The 4 ingredients for the dressing is, like I said, sour cream, some salsa, some taco seasoning, and some lime juice. It's really good. It's nice. It's refreshing. For the rest of the salad, I'm using romaine. I'm an expert at cutting romaine. I did it a lot when I worked in the restaurant industry. Yeah, super simple. I decided to go with a head of romaine instead of a bag because I just wanted to have some fun. Some red onion. I'm using Doritos. I like the Doritos because the recipe says, please, corn, tortillas and cut them up and fry them. And I'm like, why? Just use either Doritos or your favorite corn chips. Some green onion, some cilantro, of course, some black beans, some corn, avocado for garnish, and this sad-looking tomato, which I bought Sunday, which I probably go out and get another one this morning. Yeah. And of course, you gotta have cheese. I'm going with the Tillamook Spicy Mexican Blend. And I gotta have my pickled jalapenos on top. So, there's the goodies for tonight's taco salad. I want to keep this short today. Waiting on one proofreader for Soup Symphony. She's been ill, but she's feeling better. She's starting to feel better. But it's ready to basically ready to publish. I gotta have this last proofreader. It's cold out there, by the way. Bob Harlan's report and Channel 3 News this morning was 33 degrees here in Sutter County, California. All right, like I said, I try to keep it short. So on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.